Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening MX Player and getting straight into settings so you can change playback behavior. Tap the three-dot menu at the top right or your profile icon, then choose Settings. Make sure the app is updated first because older versions may not show data saver controls. Once you're in Settings, look for Network, Streaming, or Playback sections. That's where the data saver option usually lives. Move now. Don't return to the video playback page yet. Now, within Settings, navigate to Network or Streaming and locate Data Saver or Reduce Streaming Quality. You will see toggles and quality presets, 480p, 360p, or custom bitrate options. Pick the lowest acceptable quality to cut data usage. Toggle Data Saver on. This forces lower resolution streaming on mobile networks. Make sure to check Mobile Data Limit or background data restrictions if available. Complete the process by testing a short clip on mobile data to confirm reduced resolution and lower data consumption. If the player still streams high quality, clear MX Player's cache or force stop and reopen the app. Make sure storage and network permissions are granted. If problems persist, update the app, temporarily disable VPNs or proxies, and verify your carrier's streaming policies. One key tip: rebooting your phone often forces new network settings and resolves lingering permission conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.